What if I told you one free AI tool could make the hardest job in the building a little easier? Before your day begins, before the lights turn on, someone's already working. Quietly, carefully, making sure everything feels fresh, safe, and ready. But behind that calm morning, chaos. Paper checklists, forgotten notes, a mind juggling 20 rooms and 0 reminders. Today we meet Carlos, a night janitor who turned exhaustion into efficiency with one simple ally, Notion AI. This is the story of how technology met elbow grease and made both shine. Carlos works nights at a local high school. 20 classrooms, a gym, 2 restrooms, every shift. He's the reason the place looks spotless every morning, but his tools belong in another decade. A soggy checklist, a pen that skips, a mental map of everything that needs doing. When something breaks, he scribbles a note on paper and leaves it by the office door, hoping it's seen before it gets swept away. One night, after losing another note and re-cleaning the same hallway twice, Carlos sighed. There has to be a smarter way. And that's where Notion AI entered his story. But before we begin, here at Everyday AI, we tell stories like Carlos's. Real people using free AI tools to make life easier. Because AI isn't just for offices or developers. It's for anyone trying to make the day run smoother. Today, we'll see how one janitor built a digital workspace that finally worked as hard as he does. That night, Carlos decided to try something new. Before heading to work, he opened his laptop and built his first digital workspace in Notion, his new cleaning command center. In Notion, he created a new page and gave it the heading Cleaning Dashboard with 3 sections: Rooms, Tasks, and Notes. Under Rooms, he listed every areas like Classroom 1, Hallway A, Gym and Restroom 2, and also added cleaning frequency as a to-do list, so he never forgets it or cleans twice. The next morning, instead of carrying paper, Carlos opened his phone and checked off each room as he went. Before starting, Carlos typed, "Summarize my daily rooms and prioritize high-traffic areas." Notion AI instantly generated a cleaning order based on the page he created earlier. Restroom 2 first, then Classroom 1, then Hallways. For the first time, his shift started with clarity instead of confusion. At the end of his shift, he typed, "Generate a to-do list for next shift based on what's unfinished." AI built it instantly. No lost notes, no guesswork. Carlos finally ended his nights feeling ahead instead of behind. Within a week, Carlos's new system started changing how he worked. When Carlos found a broken door lock, he added a quick note, "Door lock broken, room 12," and also added an image for security purpose. Then asked Notion AI, "The door lock for room 12 is broken. Write a short maintenance report." Seconds later, he had a perfectly written message for his supervisor. It includes all the important things, such as urgency, impact, location, etc., without overwriting it and making it look like an essay. He made another page called Supplies and Restock. He noted down all the items he uses and how much of it is available in the stock. Every Friday, he typed, "List items running low from Supplies and Restock." AI summarized instantly. Bathroom cleaners, gloves, hand soaps, and bin liners. Whew. For the first time, he wasn't hearing, "We're out again." He already knew. At the end of each week, Notion AI summarized his entire log, what was clean, what was repaired, and what was pending, all in one neat report. This isn't about replacing hard work. It's about honoring it. With AI, Carlos didn't escape effort. He gained clarity, time, control. He no longer ends nights overwhelmed. Now he finishes knowing exactly what he achieved. And when the mind feels organized, the job feels lighter, and the pride shines brighter. Today, we watched Carlos turn chaos into calm using one free tool, Notion AI. He built his own digital system, organized every task, tracked supplies, and finally brought structure to the silence of night work. But this story isn't over. In part 2, Carlos takes the next step, discovering another AI tool that automates his workflow entirely. From reminders and smart reorders to automatic task scheduling, he'll learn how AI can keep working even when he's resting. One man, one mop, 2 AI tools, endless efficiency. If this story made you look differently at the people who keep your world clean, share it. Because AI isn't about replacing effort, it's about respecting it. Thanks to Notion AI for making organization simple and human. Subscribe to Everyday AI and join us in part 2, where Carlos's story continues with automation that truly lightens his load.